Today's topic is to remove all the digits from the list of the string. We are going to solve this problem by the three method, that is using a translate method, using an str is alpha method, and using a regular expression. Starting from the first method, that is using the translate method. Let me give you a brief introduction about this method. That what does this method does is it's going to replace all the characters in our given string as per the mapping table which we have passed in the parameters. Now how we are going to make a mapping table? We are going to make the mapping table using an str.makeTrans method. Now the make this method str.makeTrans method is a static method which is going to create a one-to-one mapping of a character to its replacement. It passes the three parameters over here. So now the question again arises in our mind that if it passes the three parameters and the two of them are going to be optional, then why we have taken it as a third parameter. The reason is if we have passed the first parameter, then it's going to be a dictionary. That is, it's going to contain a one-to-one mapping from a single character of a string to the translation of it. And if we have passed the two parameters, then it's going to be the two strings having the equal length. And in the third parameters which you have passed, it's going to go through the each character in the third argument which have been mapped to the nil. So what we are going to do is first we are going to import our libraries, then we are going to create our functions, and then we are making a mapping table, and then we are using an translate method. So first we are passing nothing in the first two parameters, and in the third parameter we are passing the digits. We are storing it in the remove digits method, and then we are using a translate method in the list comprehension. So for every string in our list, it's going to check the digits, and if that is the digits, then it's going to replace it to none, and then we are storing it in the list and returning them, and then we are printing it out. As you can see, our list of the string comprises of Izuku 1, 2 Katsugi 2, and all 100 mine, and then the digits which is 1, 2, and 100 respectively, they are have been replaced to none.